Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix your Deutsche Bank account locked on phone. First, wait for some time. Accounts are often locked temporarily after wrong login attempts. Tap forgot password on the login screen. Follow these steps to create a new password. After resetting, log in with the new password. Then make sure your Deutsche Bank is updated. Head over to your app store, search for the Deutsche Bank app, and update your app if you've already not updated. If your account is still locked, contact the Deutsche Bank support. They can unlock it securely. Avoid entering the wrong password multiple times. That's how to fix the Deutsche Bank account locked issue. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes.